Hello YouTubes, Fix Picks. Right, today I've got this little old English type padlock. It's a silver line. It's a copy of, I think it's a 440. It's got 4 brass levers. I reckon it's a forged steel shackle. Let's put the key in. So it locks when it wants. Put it in there. There's the key. Right, I've got a set of Dangerfield picks. I've not really used them. I tried them once and couldn't get the hang of it. Tried them twice, 3 times, kept trying. And the other day I thought, well, I've got to get into some different locks. Can't keep picking pins all the time. So I'll give it a try. I managed to pick this. I've got another one. I've got a actual 440. I can't get nowhere near the bugger. Alright, let's see if I can get this in first time. Yeah, here we go. Just line up for the camera. I can't count the levers out. I know they're there, but I don't know which is which. It could take a minute, it could take 10 minutes. Fit there. Click there. There we go. Yeah. Well, that was surprising. First one took 20 minutes. I got better, but that was the fastest so far. There you go. A silver line. Old English padlock. Is it picked? I suppose it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click the buttons, the bell buttons, the follow buttons, and I'll see you next time I do another one.